Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite host Crypto Guru, and I want to give you guys updates about the new mining that is circulating the whole internet right now called Access Network. This Access Network is a proof of stake, not proof of work. So they are giving us allocation of 25 million access tokens, right? So what we are going to do right now is we are going to mine these 25 million tokens, and once we finish, they are going to launch this mining very soon, right? This is the second airdrop, right? So what we are going to do right now is to get in and start mining immediately. Once we hit 5 million, they are going to do halving, and after they are halving, then the launch. This will just happen maybe in the period of from now, maybe 2 months or 1 month, right? Or end of June. But let's see how it goes. For many people who are mining airdrop, you can jump in and start this mining. Make sure you watch this video so that I will show you guys on how you can be able to follow through this access network. Make sure you watch till the end, because I will give you all the full process you need to know about access mining, right? This is just like an allocation that we are getting from access network. And don't go outside there maybe and just click the link. Maybe you want to start registering without following the procedure. Make sure you watch this video and follow the procedure. So let's get in. All right guys, so this is the new mining we are talking about, which is our access network. For you to register on access network right now, you have to just click the link I'll drop in the comment section below, right, and also in the description below. Once you click on it right here, you're going to see that you can install this application using APK, which you can download directly from your own Chrome, and also you can download from Google Play Store, right? So you take right here, block time 3 seconds, 25 maximum supply, right? Proof of stake. Let's tap on this Google Play, right, and install the application. So I want to show you guys how the application looks. This is it right here. Tap on it. Let's install it and register our account. So you can see, let me open it. So I just increase my brightness so that you guys can see it well. So for you to register, you're going to use my referral, right? You don't need to put any referral. Once you open it, it's going to show automatically. So right now, let's wait for this captcha to verify. Let's wait for this captcha to verify. You tap on this box, right? Tap on this box. So once you register, I'm going to show you guys everything on how you can be able to continue with this mining, right? Let's tap on terms and conditions. So you can see terms and conditions, everything right here. You can decide to read it out. You can decide to read it. You can decide not to, right? Let me verify the captcha again. I'll sign in with my Google, right? There's no way you're going to put anything. Just sign in with your Google. You tap on Google, then it will automatically sign in. So let's just wait out. Let's verify the captcha again. Make sure you follow this process till the end so that you're not going to make any mistake. You tap on Google. So this is it right here. You scroll down from up, you scroll down, you tap on this box. Once you tap there, this place is going to appear accept and continue, right? So you can see this is how the interface looks like. Very amazing. And if you want to start, then you tap right here. You start activity, right?
Check this out, really delicious. This place is a great choice.
So after watching those ads and skipping them, then you see that right now I am mining already, right? Next processing available in 23 hours, which is like 24 hours, right? So you can see my accumulated tokens right here, right? It's counting already. And this place is for where you can be able to boost, right? I'll show you guys. If you want to invite more people, then you tap on this referral. This is my referral code, right? This is my referral code right here. It's my referral code. Let me see if I can be able to see people who are in this leaderboard. So I'm just saying if there's any Nigerian man in this leaderboard. So I can see there's a lot of people right here. So I don't know any of them. Let me tap on home. So if you tap on home, referrals, you are going to see your referrals right here. Total supply of this token, access token, is 25 million tokens, right? Total supply is 25 million tokens. So don't complain that they're not giving you much, because this token will cost a lot, right? This token is very, very high, so don't think that they're going to give you like the way you think. Next halving at 5 million. Wow. So next halving will be at 5 million access coins, right? So which is remaining 4.9 million, right? So make sure you grab more of this token before the next halving, right? So I'm just getting started, and I said let me share with you guys so that you guys can also start mining, right? If you want to invite, you tap right here, then you send your invite link, right? You copy your invite link and send it. You can just copy it, send it to people you want to invite. So activity, profile. So guys, this is how to register on Access Network. A lot of people have jumped into this mining, and don't miss out. It's the new mining right now. If you want to follow them on social media, this is their Telegram and their X account, and don't forget to follow them, right? I will advise you to follow them on X, which is very, very important, so that whenever they drop updates, you will be notified, right? So this is it right here. This mining based in Basel, Switzerland, right? So it's from Switzerland, and let's get into this mining and see what we can get in returns. I will see you guys in the next update. Thank you.